Okay, so today I'll just try to do what I did yesterday, but using less the tutorial and trying to do on my own everything. So I think I'll create another repository. And I think I'm gonna name just the same name but with 2 in the end of the name. Private. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember exactly the first commands. I remembered git init, and then I didn't remember these ones. So let's go to the folder that I have. Okay, so I already deleted all these files. I'm gonna add the new file here. index.html. Type some stuff. You can see here that there's a lot of suggested commands. These are probably the most common when you start a page or a new project or something like that. And what can I put here? Let's put this, and then then, if I remember correctly, go here and type git init. Then from the top of my head, without remember the thing on the website, I would put git clone here, and then the link to the repository I just created. But I think it tells me to put git add first, and git remote, and the link only comes later. So yeah, I kind of remember some of the stuff, but not all of it. And this readme .command. So I'm just gonna follow the thing. Then git commit, I think was. Maybe I need to save the changes here. Git /m commit. And I think the push /u origin and master when it comes in the last step. Oh, /n is not a command. So let's go back. Well, oh, I forgot the comma. And commit comes first. And comma index file. Now it's added. Yeah, now it's added to the git on my computer, but it's not added on the repository from the website. So yeah, I think it's possible to remember. Maybe after you do it just a bunch of times, then it starts to get into your head more. But now it's telling me to go to the main branch here. I'm gonna try to add first because I don't think it's necessary to go to the main branch, because I'm at main branch. And add function. Now it's the link, right? And then git push /u orange master. Don't know why, but so it seems like it's main master, same thing. Yeah, it worked. Now, what were the other steps that I had to do? I think it's here, then stage changes, then a commit, then a message, and the file. Now it's committed, but I don't remember if it's on the website or not. Yeah, it worked. Nice. It feels like it's a lot easier than the previous times I tried to do this. So might be getting into my head how to do it. And what was the next steps? Maybe change something in the file. Yeah, but I think if I just change like this, then there's not much. Just a new one, added extra text. It's probably gonna go right away. Let's see. I can just look at the file. Go to file. And then the other thing was creating branches, right? So git branch should give me the branches that I have. Yeah, remember this. And then git, I think /b should create a new branch. I don't remember if I should put this double comma. I don't know how to say this in English, but different branch. Unknown option. Maybe git branch first. Version. Yeah, I don't remember this command. Let me try without the double comma. Branch. No. Maybe git branch and then the name. That doesn't feel right. Let me think about this. Git. Yeah, I can't remember. How to add a different branch. I remember something like / and then b or yeah, I think I'll have to look to search for it. Git branch /b. How do I do this? Git commit is only gonna put a new file. Okay, I will search for it. I feel like something with /b. Man, sure. Make new branch. But at least it's like a lot more clear in my mind, right? Now, how to do this? How it works? How it actually works on GitHub and on Git. Git checkout. I remember that. The dash. And then different. Oh, so I can't put the name file on the branch. Let's try like this, see if it works. It's not a valid version. Different. Let's put difference. And now, then if I go git checkout name, master, then the switch and then git branch gives me the trip. So, checkout different. Now let's make some changes here. Let's add a file. Add. Oh, we can't add. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Let's put readme.md. Now let's write. I think it's like this. Header, right? Put hello. Let's put something different. How are you doing? And then slash header. Classic Joey from France. Now how do I commit this? Git commit, maybe. Git commit first. And I think /am. Double comma. No, it's not double comma. What's the name of this thing? Okay, anyway. Readme file. Readme. Git add first and then commit. .md. Then git commit. /am readme.md. Oh, just readme. Maybe I need to put the name, the actual name. To include in what will be created. No, this is just a message to. This is just a message to explain what I'm committing, but git add is the specification for what's going to be committed. Now I understand. Now it's done. Now git. I think I remember I have to do git push upstream, something like that. I don't remember how is the code exactly. And that's to make this branch connected to the main branch. Let's see upstream. Git upstream. Connect two branches maybe. Yeah. Yeah, git push upstream, set upstream, the remote, and then the branch. Let's try this code. Git push upstream. So I did it right. I thought I forgot to write push and set upstream. Set upstream. Set as true first. And then the name of this branch. No, the remote should be the master one, right? Master and difference. And maybe it's the other way around. Sit upstream difference. Let's try just difference. See what happens. Does not appear to be a git repository. So maybe it's git push and just master, but it said it's not a repository. It's not a git repository. So maybe I should do git pull first, or git clone. Let me try to switch to the main branch. Git branch, git checkout, master. Git push. It's telling me that my masters had 2 commits on the other branch. Good. Now let's try git clone, and then clone the repository from GitHub. Clone. I thought I did this step earlier when I typed git remote, or maybe I skipped this one. That's why it's telling me that it's not a repository. Yeah, let's try now again. Try git checkout different, and then git push set upstream different master. Following tracks for entries files will be overwritten by checkout. Maybe this is the conflict thing that the tutorial from yesterday was saying. Following untracked working trees files will be overwritten by checkout. Please move or remove them before I switch branches. Yeah, this is the cloning thing. Not the cloning thing, the conflict thing. So yeah, maybe if I do this command now, it's gonna work. Then try to commit this first and see if it helps anything. And check out different. Oh, so it's just because I didn't commit the changes. Now let's try this command again. So why is telling me that it's not a repository? Oh, now it's the problem. I think I've built two things. Oh, now I understand what's happening. I think. Oh, how's this possible? It added two gits and two titles. Oh, it's because this is the one that I cloned from the site. Now I got it. So the cloning is I'm not supposed to do the cloning step, I think. Maybe git remote add and then no, tab from git remote add. Git remote add /m. No. So I'm not sure if I understand this. Some cases you may choose to link your local branches to existing remote branches that you just pulled or cloned from the main repository. Let's say, for example, that you pulled the dev branch located on the origin remote. As a consequence, the tracking branch named origin dev /dev. Set to use the git branch in order to set the existing branch upstream branch. Let's try this command. Git branch /u origin master. Now it's one branch set to track the other branch, but it's different from upstream. Requiring a git fetch, can bring in commits from your remote repository. Choose to merge them at will. Click from pull and push easily. When you set your upstream or tracking branches, you can simply execute pulls and pushes without having to specify the target branch. Git automatically knows that it has to fetch the new commits to the remote tracking branch. So this is for when I want to automatically put the commits from one branch into the other branch, so that I don't have to make the commit 2 times every time I switch branches, if I understanding this well. Similarly, Git already knows that it has to push new commits to the upstream. For this, Git keep a reference of these upstream branches associated with local branches. Oh shit. So what's the difference between that command and the git upstream command? I'm going to check existing remote branches that you just pull their clone from the main repository. Saying the same thing. Set tracking branches for new local branches. Now we should switch to the local dev branch and just set the origin /dev as the tracking branch or upstream branch. Use the /track option to verify that you linked dev to the tracking branch origin /dev. Which upstream branch is the remote dev? Use the git branch command. Yeah, it doesn't explain the difference. For remote branch, having the same. She did explain this on the tutorial yesterday, but still not very clear to me. Now to avoid having to define the upstream every time you create a new branch. Define an alias for the command we just wrote. For aliases, you have 2 choices. You can either create a git alias or a bash alias. In order to create a new git alias, use the git config command and find a new alias named pushed. So I think I'm just gonna try to understand what's this remote thing. Should link our local branches to the remote branches that you just pulled it on. So the remote is supposed to be the branch on the website, I think. Git branch. What is the purpose of git push set upstream command? And what is a remote branch? I think that's why those are the first steps. Git init, then you create the git file on the folder you're coding, and then after that you add the files you changed or you made, like your first initial files. You use the git add, and then you use the git remote add to add the repository from the to link the repository from the website to our folder, to our git actually. sets the default remote branch for the current local branch. And if feature git pull command with the current local branch checked out, will attempt to bring commits from the remote branch into the current local branch. So that's a logical thing. It should do a similar thing from this git branch slash u origin slash master. Stack upstream, but master. And for git branch different. No, git checkout different. Already on different. Git push. And git push add. Git push add to push the changes I made on this branch, but I didn't make on the main branch. Okay, so where's the error here? Error. I have to read from the remote repository. The upstream branch of your current branch does not match the name of your current branch. To push to the upstream branch, the remote use git push origin head. So this is the command to push the changes to the master branch. To push to the branch of the same name on the remote use. And this is for when I want to send to the same branch but on the website instead of the git on my computer thing. To push to the branch of the same name on the remote use git push origin head. Git push head. And now should be fine. We'll try the next command that is suggested to see if it does anything. Now that I already pushed to the git on my computer, I think that's what's going on. And now it goes, seems to work, I think. Create a pull request for different GitHub by visiting. Now it's saying that I had the option to pull these changes from the site if I want to, by using git pull. And this is supposed to be the remote branch name there. Or remote slash branch. That's what I don't know. So, recent versions of Git deprecate this somewhat ambiguous setup string option in favor of a more verbose setup string true option with identical syntax to behavior. So I'm not sure if I should put the two names here, this one being the master branch and this one being the name of the branch I'm trying to link the master to, or if I should just put the name of the other branch that I have. setup stream. I think I tried this one already. Different is not supposed to be a Git repository. Git push. Oh, maybe not. I have to type the name of the full name of the branch of the folder actually. Instead of putting the name of the... No. When you push a remote and use the setup string flag, it sets the branch you are pushing to as the remote tracking branch of the branch you are pushing. Adding a remote tracking branch means that Git then knows what you want to do when you git fetch, git pull, or git push in future. Since that you want to keep the local branch and the remote branching, the remote branch it is tracking in sync, and this is the bridge, and thus the appropriate thing to achieve this. I think I'm gonna search for a video showing on practice how to write it, because it's still confusing for me. And I'm also gonna search for what's this error. Message is not appear, should be a Git repository. Maybe I have to do git push upstream, set upstream, and go into the link on the site to see if it works. Nice, there we go. Oh, but this sets up the different branch that I have on my computer to the different branch that is on the Git website. But maybe that's the only way, because on the file I have, it's not actually a repository, it's just viewed as something different for some reason. And it worked, but branch master setup to track remote branch master from origin. What has happened? Okay. You see that the local branch master sets to track the upstream branch origin master. See the difference between git checkout track orange branch and git checkout /b branch origin. It would do really like you did. Yeah.
Currently we have two branches. One is master branch, another one is feature A. Our task today is to push feature A branch to the server, which is in
Code for
GitLab.
you, name of the channel, Sky.
Now we are in the branch feature A. And
Let's
the
put
difference
on
between feature A and master is that in
1.5.
master we don't have this something.txt, whereas in feature A we have. It's a new feature. Usually, if you want to update the code from local machine to the server, we'll use the command push. Git push with the remote source of variable origin, which we set previously. So the name of the branch you want to push to. For example, if you want to push to master, you need to set to master. But for convenience, we don't set to master, okay? Because in the normal development cycle, we will not directly alter the file in master branch. Which our codes will be firstly pushed to another branch first, to the server, and let other people review, and passing all the tasks needed before we very much into the master branch. Because master is the core things that will be deployed in production, to be rolled out to be used by the actual users. So we wouldn't want it to be messed up at any point of time. In this case, we are opening up another feature branch, right? So definitely we'll have to push to another branch. So the command that we need is origin and the branch name feature. Say. So we are pushing our code to feature A branch remotely. Well, it's done. Let's see this refresh this page of your
that's command that you just did previously.
project directory repository. So you can see there is a system message notification that notifies us we already pushed to a new branch. When you click on this drop down menu, you can see another branch being created, which is feature A, with a new file something. This branch is the latest feature branch that we have branched out from master. After this, we'll talk about how to merge this feature into master, and afterwards deleting this branch. Alright. But just now, remember we are using this command. This has an issue. We cannot usually we will not do this simply pushing to a new branch, because why? When we want to get the update from the server, we'll use another command named git pull. So this will pull the latest update from the server into your local machine. But when you see this, there is an error message that's telling us that there is no tracking information for the current branch. Please set 1. So now you have to set.
So I think what he's saying is that every time you create a new branch, you have to git pull from the website to pull the other changes, the other branches that are below this branch, this new branch you created. Not really sure if that's exactly how it works.
Yes, if you simply push a new branch to the server, you are not telling GitLab that, or you are not telling Git that what exactly is the remote branch that you are pushing to, and you want to keep track of the information to make sure that they are synchronized. You are not telling them this information. How can we tell them the information? You can do this. Git branch. Yeah, follow the exact things they want us to upstream to goes to. Remote is origin. Branch name is feature A. This is the local branch. This is the remote branch. So click enter. Yeah. Now we check it. And if you want to pull the information, yes, you can get a message already up to date, because both codes from the server and from the local machine are synchronized. So there's no update occur in between.
So I have to put the equal there. Git range set string true equal origin master origin different. No, it works, I think. Branch different setup tracks remote branch different from origin. So I think this means that the different one's gonna get the changes from the main one, master one, or origin one.
Well, we'll check out a new branch and see. We go to master first, and create a new branch named let's say feature B. There's a simpler way of doing this setting upstream. So we'll create a new file like okay, this is a new file for feature B. So send, we are adding the file first, and we are connecting with the message feature B implement. Now we already added into feature B. We want to push this feature B again, like feature A, to the server. So this is the previous way we are doing. So pushing to the origin a certain feature. Now we are adding one flag, which is -u. This means this stands for setting upstream, which is exactly the same as what we are doing here. So the server will be able to know that your current branch is pointing to this branch, and you want to keep track of the information from the server via this particular branch. Basically, it's doing this task, right? You don't have to explicitly setting the upstream. In fact, we just use a flag -u in order to keep track of the information. What's the difference? Remember just now, after we pushing the codes, we are trying to git pull, but we failed. Then only we do this command, right? Now we are checking it. Then we use git pull. We don't have to set upstream. It's already set. Yeah. So recap for today's lesson. We learned about how to push the code with git push origin master or any branch you want to push to. This is to update from the local machine to the server, and to keep track of the information to make sure that it is synchronized between the local branch and the remote branch. You use -u, and to retrieve the information back from the server down to your local machine, you use the command git pull. Only these three things, right? Basically, they are the mostly used things if you want to wrapping up your codes and merge them to the master.
Yeah. That's right.
Very, very frequently used commands.
I'm gonna try to delete all these files here. I'm gonna try to do it from. I'm gonna try to pull from the website. Then close this. Instead of doing the way I was doing, which was creating the file here. Git init, then git add remote, and now I'm gonna go pick this link, paste here. Did not match any files. So I think add remote is just shred the file, not the repository. And git clones should clone the repository to my computer. Let me search this git remote, and I want to know what I should assign to. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That it does. Downloads the project to your local computer and leaves you with a local Git repository. Connection to the original remote setup automatically. This is what the origin remote connection points to. Okay, your local repository, there won't be such a connection. Git remote add origin. So I should type the same thing but with origin to determine that this is the place it's going to originate from? No. Do not match any files. Maybe I need to clone first and then use the remote. Repository main remote connection origin, which is why it makes sense to adhere to this naming scheme. We're going to try the new remote connection to our local repository using the git remote command. And each two pieces of information for this. The name we'd like for this new remote, URL of the remote repository. Find this after creating a new remote repo on your hosting service of choice. Yeah, that's what I was doing. You check if the command has worked. Maybe it's a different link than this one. Or if I go to the file and try to get the link from the file. Let's see if there's another site. The directory your repository start at the remote add command text fragments and a unique remote name, for example, some new repo, a remote URL which you can find in the source subtab of your Git repo. Maybe it's the SSH key instead of the you should use the other link instead of using the SSH. Now it works. Git add remote origin. And still the remote doesn't work. But now at least it's cloned to. And search this message that is giving me. If you try to push changes to a remote repository without first specifying its location and encounter the fatal orange, that's not appears to be a Git repository. Git repository is not associated with a remote repository. Fatal orange does not appear to be a Git repository. The git init command creates a new Git repository. This command only initializes the folder as a Git repository. It does not link as a repository to a remote repository. In contrast, the git clone command does link a local repository to a remote one. This is because Git knows where the code from a project came from. It uses the location icons to guess where you are going to be pushing commits. The fatal origin does not appear to be a Git repository error. Occurs when you set up a new repository and try to commit code without first instructing Git on where the code should be pushed. Make a new folder, initialize the folder as Git repository. We have navigated into our new SK Git folder and initialize Git repository inside the folder. Now create a file called sync file. Once it has a file, we can push our remote repository. Before we can push our code, we need to add our file to our repository and commit that file. The first command adds to the staging. The normal commit we can push it to the master branch on our remote Git repo. Location of the origin repository, we've initialized a new repository using Git init, so our repository is not linked to any remote repository by default. Command tell Git where the remote version of our repository exists. Do this using git remote add command. And it's the same command that the other thing is telling. This command tells Git the remote called. I think it's because I cloned, and when you clone, you don't need to do this. It's only when you initialize a file that has no. That's why the git reset thing. When you initialize a file that has no repository, but when you clone, it links automatically. So how can I unclone this? Maybe now, if I just delete the file, it's not gonna be cloned anymore. Still the same thing. Oh, do the other row thing. Now it works. I think it's just typing error thing. Now let's try git clone again. And after that, I'm gonna try to link to remote and see if it works. To see if it was just the typing that was wrong, or is more of a concept type of problem. Yeah, so I think it was just the typing thing. Okay, so I think I got it. Next time this is gonna be it for today. Next time I'm gonna actually start coding. And yeah, I think I got the concepts already. I'm probably gonna have to review them and think about them when I'm actually doing a real project. But for now, I think it's kind of clear in my mind how it works. So first I will learn CSS, then HTML. Maybe the two together. I think they go together, if I remember correctly. And I'm gonna try to use them to build a landing page. And then after I get comfortable with that, then a website. And maybe I'll just I'll start by doing these projects, linking them on GitHub. Yeah, see you.